Here we go into day 9 of building a Facebook account to 10K per month recurring revenue. So I'm already started this morning. We are now in Monday, November 3rd, and it's our 9th day. So we're not even into 2 business weeks yet, or 10 business days. And right now I had to qualify some more leads because I need to start adding more people. So we're gonna do 15 to 20 today. Over the weekend, I hit a restriction, so my account went to 10 and limited me there because I wasn't adding people mutual friends. Now that I have friends, I went back into the groups, captured more people with mutual friends, just qualifying them quickly right now, location, etc. And then if they're a good fit, then move them forward after that. So that's the process right now. Just qualifying the leads. I'm gonna let that run on the back end, and we're gonna check out some of the other stuff that's going on. So we've gotten a reply. Here, I'm gonna put this over here. Gotten a couple replies. Alright, so let me go into Messenger. Let's start with Ginger. I have to check, thanks for the reminder, what is the subject line, and then let me pull up my email. She actually responded back. I'll just find that. We'll go find Ginger. Here we go. So this is the email I sent to Ginger. Hey Ginger, appreciate the messenger chat. As promised, there's a quick overview of FlowChat. And then this is what FlowChat does. A review. One of our clients collecting 400K. Trustpilot review. Alright, you got through to me, good job. I sent Dawn to my CEO, keep you posted on what she says, and then we'll just reply. Happy Monday, Ginger. Hope you had a great Halloween weekend and some small sounds good. Let me know what Dawn says and if she orders. So have any question that I can tackle. Looking forward to hearing back from you. Alright, so we're gonna send that out. So they might not even need a call, depending, they might just buy. So that might just be a sale without a sales call through the DMs, which is awesome. I'm gonna follow up tomorrow, just put a reminder here tomorrow, and there we go, we're done. Put her in the potential clients, and we're done the email with Ginger. So with Ginger here, we're just gonna follow up here, and then we're gonna follow up tomorrow, keep track. Then we have Richard. So we're gonna go to Richard, and I sent him an audio file because he thought they're canned, right? He's like, no, it worked. So I had to resend him the audio file. It just didn't work on my computer. I see. Why do you think, was there a reason why use it? We can set up a quick video chat, and I can show you all updates since you left. Actually, we're gonna wait before we pitch that, and we're just gonna go here and put this. So transition questions, and still, and tomorrow, follow up. So we got another reply from Richard. Here we have a reply from Christian. I'm down for a demo. Right. Let's do it. So that's awesome. We have a book call I'm gonna send over. Grab a time with my right hand, April. She'll walk you through a quick demo and answer any questions you have. So we're gonna send over a link for April. I'm just gonna grab it here, calendar, and then that's gonna be a book call. So that's a way where you can send it over to somebody else. April's calendar for Facebook. So we've sent that. We sent a booking link this morning, so we're gonna go here. Oh man, rough weekend as you can imagine. For you watching. What part of I'm in the West End. So we're gonna do a little bit of talking with Mike here. We have a message received. And then we're gonna go straight into like rapport, and then we'll get into a transition question sent after about actual sales. So because we have that bond of Toronto, it's gonna be way better to do that right off the bat. And then here with Kingston, it's overdue. So we'll just follow up. Boom, boom, boom. And then we'll come back tomorrow. And then I have a couple other people to follow up with. So that's going to be kind of the game here as the qualifying is going. Once it's done, you'll see we're going to check for new friend requests and move them into this last stage. So in the next 7 days, I'm going to start pulling some friend requests as well. We have 2 new friends that I have to send requests to, or messages to. We just moved Mike here, so I would just have to reload this, and then Mike's gonna be in like message received, and then from there we're gonna have Ginger already in the booking call link sent, right? Because we sent over that email, and it's almost gonna be like a purchase. I'm not gonna do it right now, but we did follow up. Right, so we're not gonna unfriend or anything right now. We're just gonna keep her there. And then Christian, we send the booking link because he asked for it. Richard, we're invite to call sent because we're gonna we're gonna pitch as soon as he responds. Colby here, we got to follow up with. Kenzel, we followed up with, and then you can see Nicholas here pretty soon in the next couple days, 3 days. He's gonna get pulled if he doesn't respond. And then we have all these people to follow up with today, and then they're going to put into the stage. So just running a couple automations, pretty simple. And then these people are going to get put into this stage. We're going to check on some new friends, and then add some friends. So we're running some automations the rest of the day and moving the pipeline forward. But you can see we're getting there. We're getting conversations, right? It's starting to look cool. It's starting to get fuller over here. Pretty soon we're going to get a purchase call. generally within FlowChat in our ecosystem, it's about 21 days of having the system running to getting your first sale. Right, so that's on average what we see. Can be lower, can be higher, depends who you're talking to. Like with Ginger, if she closes tomorrow, that would be 10 days, right? And we count business days. So at that point, we kind of have that whole journey in place, and they might white label because most of the time that's how those conversations go. So that could be worth $1,000 a month, 12,000 a year, or if she pays annually, it's 8K, right? So that could bump up here. Right now, I put it on our mid-tier plan, and then you can see Christian here. He has some of his people that already use our product. That conversation is going to go way faster, way easier. And April's a killer. We actually have a mastermind that we just launched called the Rainmaker program. It's 15,000, so she's in an anchor at that price. Maybe he joins our 15K mastermind program, right? So and then at that point, that's even way better for the company. As you can imagine, way better for Christian because we have a higher success rate when we can deliver at a higher valuation and higher just standard, because we can do more in that scenario, and the people that invest 15,000 are more invested into making sure that everything is working smoothly and they're getting that back 10 times fold, making that 400K like we saw in the review, right? So 15K to 400K, not too bad, right? So yeah, that's the process. That's today. A little bit of a quicker one. Hope you guys had a great Halloween. We're just ending Halloween here, and we'll see you tomorrow in the next one. We'll see what happens.